Good morning. So this is where we parked last night. We are in front of a fish farm.
It was very peaceful last night.
Yeah, you would.
Quiet.
But the boat would move. It was so
Gentle.
soothing. Another fish farm over there. Surprisingly, we are on the Mekong River right now, and it's actually pretty quiet. The boys, who just kind of can't wake up. Oh, look how pretty! Oh, wow! Oh my gosh. This is so pretty. Oh, wow, that's the kitchen. Look at that. We're cruising while we eat. It's so surreal that you're here having breakfast while the little boat leaves.
So we are gonna show you the whole boat because it's very big but small. And we called our grandma and she made us notice it's true. It's so long. Let's go, Emma.
Room tour!
This is the living room.
Where there is some very interesting discussions happening. I'm just kidding. You have couches.
Big company. If you go to the big company, they have to get a junk. Because I don't think
It's the relax room.
Yes,
If you
this
do
is
this
where
way, you
basically
get
we
more
spend most
money
of the
for
day.
you.
We look out
Because
the
the big
view,
company get taken.
and there's the fridge over there, mini fridge, and a bunch of fans. And over here, there's a TV, but it's
What
fake.
kind of boat do you
It's not real.
No, you can use it, but they just don't use it. It's for decoration. I don't know why. In here, we have the bedroom where Mama and Baba would sleep. 2 single beds put together. There's a mirror. You have all the good amenities. You have also the 2 fans.
Fans, because at night it's hot.
But
Water.
guys, it's cool because this is like when we had a camper van. For the things to work better, it needs to be plugged in to electricity. That's what we did last night. We went to bed and they went to a house and we plugged it in so the fans look better. And there's this photo. See that's my grandma right there.
What?
We have the bathroom. So every time you turn on this switch, the toilet flushes, the fan turns on, the light turns on.
Because it turns the water
Yeah,
on.
it turns everything on when you turn on the light. There's the sink with that. There's a shower, and actually it works really good. It's not that hot, but it's actually really hot in the
it's hot
boat.
here. You do
so
not
you
need
wanna
a warm
have cold.
shower.
And it's not even that cold either. It's like perfect.
Right.
Oh yeah, there are windows everywhere. And at night you might be wondering, what happens? Well, they close everything, and we'll show you that
Oh, wow,
later.
what a surprise. They closed the window.
There's 3 beds here because we're 5 people, and these are all single beds. And then they put all these. They have the mosquito things. I think a lot of mosquitoes come. Last night there was none, but we still put it
Because
anyway.
you slept in it.
No, there was none. I don't think. I didn't see them anywhere.
Okay.
Tall, small for some reason.
Because this is an extra one.
And then back here is I think where you can eat.
This is where we had breakfast.
Yeah, this is where we had breakfast. That's where the guy
the
drives,
captain.
and that's the kitchen. Ow.
Stop
I'm
being
too
a
tall.
mess. Here's the kitchen.
Look, it's a kitchen for your height. It's perfect.
And
Wait.
there's this roof here that also moves. But
Yeah.
right now it's really sunny, so it's closed.
Yeah, and the captain's driving up there. So we'll show you the boat later tonight too. Bye.
So guys, everywhere we go, people they wave us, they you. I just say hi to them. They're unloading bags of rice. So that is the regular rice, the white one already take out from the husks. And the big boat that we see on the side, that they build the side higher, all of them, they are full of husk, the shell of the rice. Here on this side of the country, what they use it to burn it because it burn faster and it's gonna make it more hot. And every boat in the back, they have a kitchen and they have all the plants. Some of them, they have even a vegetable plants in the back, so they cook and clean and wash everything there. They have breakfast in there, or lunch and dinner, and they have their own plants. Look at the top, the roof, full of plants. Everybody carry their own plants with them. The hammock.
I got a hammer.
And Emma keeping company, right?
Yep.
It's his special spot on the boat. He likes to hang out with the crew. See, now you can see closer. This one is full of husks. Look how big and taller they fill it up. They raise the side and fill it. When they switch inside the river, because the river is really small, they go really close to each other.
Just press this button.
Okay, that's it, that's it.
If he stays here for a bit, at one point he's gonna use his feet to drive.
I know, I saw it. They do it with the feet.
We are almost at our first stop of today. Oh, let's look from the window. We took over the half of the river.
And three circles, the yellow, the blue and the red. The yellow from Buddhism, the blue from Taoism, and the red from Confucianism.
This is the connection of three religions together, Taoist, the Buddhist and the Confucianism. They have two gates, one is the female, the phoenix, and one is the male, is the dragon. So it's a representation of all the religion, because inside the roof you're gonna see is rounded like a mosque. Outside the two towers is like the Catholic Church. They try to represent everything. They put together all the religion.
Victor Hugo, Sun Yat-sen from China, and Nguyễn Minh Khiêm from Vietnam. They represent for Western philosophy, and the Vietnamese guy represent for Eastern philosophy, and he mixed between Western and Eastern.
So Confucius,
Buddha
and Lao Tzu.
Yeah, and below that's the Wang Ying.
The sign is Cao Dai.
That's like energy.
Okay.
Energy.
Coming from everywhere.
Coming from the sky. The earth.
Okay.
Yeah. Oh, yeah. And the market is open every day. So usually wholesaler will stay here 10 days, 15 days they stay. When they get empty, they go back to the village and they buy from the farmer in the village and they bring.
So the stuff that is attached on the stick, it's what they are selling. Now everything is covered from the tarp because it's really hot.
Yeah.
But you can see the bag. Yeah.
10 kilo in the bag.
They have produce for 10 kilos a piece. Everything is under there.
The pumpkins, they also pumpkins, turnip,
pumpkins,
sweet potato.
So the retailer, they come here with the boat, they buy a big bag of 10 kilos a piece, and they bring it to the village to resell it. It's really hot right now. Everybody's inside, they're covering from the sun. Is all of this green is natural that grow up here?
Natural water has it. But they also grow in some like morning glory or water spinach.
Okay, we are on Tiger Island, guys, and I have no idea where we're going, but we're taking these motorcycles to get where we're going. Go? We each get our own private chariot. Ooh.
At the beginning time, there are wetland. There are many jungle, not many people. So usually people going by boat and they live on fishing. So when the man fishing, they show a baby tiger floating on a river. He rescue the tiger, bring it back home, and take care of the tiger, and then let the tiger back to the jungle. So later, the fishman passed away, and people bury him somewhere in the garden. But on the death day of the fishman, they show a dead wild boar in the front of the tomb, and they know that's the gift from the tiger. Want to say thank
you.
Yeah, for saving him.
So he
on
saved the
that legend.
tiger. That's why it's called Tiger
Tiger
Island.
Island. Based on that legend, they call it Tiger.
And he
Island.
lives here?
Yes, the fishman lived in here.
Oh,
There are many places worshiping tiger, especially in the communal house. We
There is no tigers in
with
Vietnam.
now they have tiger, but in the border with Laos,
Huh.
they have a big forest. Even in the border with Cambodia, they have some mountain, very hilly and mountain there. They believe has some tiger.
And the altar?
Altar where they're worshiping him. Yeah.
They worship the president?
President.
Oh.
Why is he so meaningful to the people?
More meaningful for the people, for local people here, because the village they are proud of that they have a president
Because he was born here.
born here.
Yeah,
His
okay.
family also living here.
Oh, okay.
Other side we can see his family house.
So this is Tiger Island, this whole thing. We're right there. And there's these little islands all around. You have to be careful when you're driving a boat because you could also crash into one of those depending on if it's high tide or low tide.
I remember when we were there, you have to come to Victor house.
For who doesn't know, Vietnam is a communist country, and what that means is that the president is not elected from the people, but from the party. There's only one party, so there's no fighting between parties. People can vote for the members of the party, and then the party decides who the president will be for 5 years. They can be renewed as much as they want. This president has been a president for 11 years.
Yes.
Some have been really short because they did things that the party didn't approve, and so they were kicked out.
Apparently, one president he just last 11 months
Yes, so
because he went to rescue some relative in the family that
In
did
a
something that it
situation.
wasn't legal, and in doing that they just let him go.
This president was very much loved.
Yeah.
Just like Ho Chi Minh, I feel, from what I've seen in the museum. So
Yeah.
it was actually interesting to learn a little bit more about. This is the second president since the reunification of the country. His friendly name for everybody is Uncle Ton, which I thought was kind of cute. Okay, now we're gonna go see his family house. Ton Dak Tang.
Everything it was wood at the time.
Yeah, it rebuilt. It just rebuilt in 1998. But originally, it's people. A traditional house.
the time when everybody goes swimming. Okay, tonight we're having dinner on the boat. Look at this. What? Look at that! Wow. Oh, we get the fish. Look, he lost his mouth.
Ow! No, he lost his teeth.
So I can't get used to the fact that we are sitting on the boat. And we're eating. And the boat is still going because we're not at destination yet.
We are cruising.
And we are cruising. And there is a beautiful sunset. Still a little bit.
So now it's night, and as you see, they've closed everything. Look, there's the doors are all closed, locked up. We can't have anyone getting in because tonight there are a bunch of mosquitoes here. And again, the living room is the same as usual, just darker, right?
Some windows are closed.
Luca, say hi!
Over here is the bedroom. As you see, they added the mosquito net because there's probably still gonna be a bunch of mosquitoes.
Mosquito.
Yeah, and there's a bunch more fans on.
This fan is just for beauty, just so you know. Only those ones work.
The bathroom is the same.
Look, the bathroom.
Hasn't changed anything.
Luca just took a shower. So.
Yeah. And over here is the same again, but just the beds have all the mosquito nets open. See, and look at that bug. He's trying to get in, but he's never gonna get in.
What?
Little guy.
That's not a mosquito. Get rid of that, Kelsey.
No, he's going up. It's
Ew,
okay.
no, I have to sleep in that bed.
Oh, you do? Oh, it's okay. Doesn't matter to me.
What?
And that's the door leading to the breakfast slash dinner slash lunch slash snack slash food area and kitchen.
And the driving area.
And the driving area and where the people sleep. That's the night.
And we are getting rid of this bug as soon as we finish doing this.
Okay. So yeah, that's it. That's it night. Now we're gonna go to bed. Sleepy time.